Welcome to Mingling Trays! Today we're gonna make potato banana salad, which is simple, easy, and of course, it's delicious! First, we're gonna dice 2 potatoes or about 600 grams of potatoes, inch thick. Place the potato in a pot, 2 cups of water, and sprinkle with salt. Cook them for about 10 minutes over medium-high heat. Slice 1 large banana in half-inch thick. We're gonna caramelize banana. In a pan, 1 tablespoon of each olive oil, dark brown sugar, and fresh lemon juice. When bubbly, add bananas. Flip them over gently. Keep stirring and spooning glaze over bananas. Transfer them on a plate and let it cool down. Now take out the cooked potatoes. Place them in a bowl. Sprinkle with salt and white pepper, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 clove of garlic, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley. Gently combine all the ingredients and potato to coat. Now we're gonna place them under the broiler for 5 to 7 minutes to get them roasted and crispy. While the potatoes are in the broiler, we're gonna make the dressing. First, toast 1 tablespoon of pine nuts in a pan over medium-high heat. Keep stirring often and shaking the pan until golden brown. Remove them from the heat and let them cool down. Blend the pine nuts and place them in a bowl. 3 tablespoons of white wine, 2/3 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and pinch of salt, and 4 tablespoons of mayo. Mix well. Our potatoes are done. Let's plate. Yum! Lastly, we're gonna garnish with arugula. Olive oil, fresh lemon juice, and sprinkle with salt. All done! Looks so beautiful and tasty. It's time to enjoy! Thanks for watching and see you soon!